everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk Tech, brought to you by Sinewave Technologies. In this video, we're going to go even deeper into cloud computing. In our previous Let's Talk Tech video, we discussed the cloud, different types, and co-location. I very briefly talked about what the cloud is, but we've barely scratched the surface on cloud computing. Bob Olweg once said, "Ask 10 people what the cloud is, and you'll receive 11 answers." Before we start our dive, first let me review a few things that we've learned about the cloud so far. As I previously defined, the cloud is essentially a data center or multiple data centers made up of compute and storage resources connected by a network. To break this down even more, the cloud uses resources such as software and services to run on the internet instead of locally on your computer. Too many times we have all been victim to the annoying notifications letting us know we're running low on data storage on our electronic devices, whether that be phone or computer. The cloud presents the ability for users to store data online, allowing you to keep all your emails, contacts, photos, etc. without cluttering up your computer's hard drive. The truth is, you're probably using the cloud every day without even realizing it. Each time you open up or send an email, you are utilizing the cloud. The cloud holds this information for you instead of it sitting on your computer's hard drive. They are stored on servers. Most cloud services can be accessed through a web browser like Firefox or Google Chrome, and some companies offer dedicated mobile apps. Many web apps and social media like Facebook and Twitter use the cloud. In fact, you are using the cloud to watch this video right now. It sounds kind of crazy, right? Kind of like all of our information and data is just floating up in the air. This is one of the most common misconceptions of the cloud. The cloud itself is not a physical entity, but actually a large network of remote servers around the globe that work together as a single ecosystem. So though you are able to just type something up on your computer and it appears, it is not pulled from nothingness, but actually obtained from a chain of servers stored in a third-party data center somewhere. In our last video, I also covered the 3 different types of cloud: private, public or commodity, and hybrid. With the private cloud, your business is the only tenant, meaning having more privacy, security, and control. A public or commodity cloud is rented out to multiple tenants and charged based on their usage of the cloud. This is the most common type. And lastly, a hybrid cloud is the connection between having both a private and a public cloud that allows you to have the control and scalability of both. Not only are there different clouds, but there are also different types of cloud services, or delivery models. Knowing what they are and how they're different makes it easier to accomplish your business goals. These delivery models can be broken up into 3 basic categories: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. These are sometimes called the cloud computing stack because they build up on top of one another. The most widely known service and the top of the stack is SaaS, or software as a service. SaaS includes a variety of services such as file storage and backup, web-based email, and project management tools. These applications are hosted and made available by a vendor or service provider to customers over a network, the internet. Example softwares would be Dropbox, G Suite, Microsoft Office, and more. The next level in the stack would be PaaS, or platform as a service. PaaS is defined as a computing platform that allows quick and easy creation of web applications without having to buy and maintain the software and infrastructure needed. PaaS is similar to SaaS, except rather than being a software delivered over the internet, it is the foundation for the software being delivered. Examples of SaaS would be Microsoft Azure, Heroku, Salesforce, and more. Lastly is IaaS, or infrastructure as a service. This is the base of the cloud computing stack. IaaS provides the infrastructure that many cloud service providers need to manage SaaS tools, but don't want to maintain themselves. This includes cloud computing infrastructure like servers, storage, network, and operating systems as an on-demand service. By outsourcing, EAS provides the same technologies and capabilities as a traditional data center without a business having to physically maintain or manage all of it by themselves. I could go on and on about this topic, but we're running out of time. Until next time, if you've enjoyed this series so far and want to learn more about technology, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified about our next video. If you have any further questions or just want to follow along to learn more tech, check out our social media linked below in the description or take a look at our website at sinewavetech.com. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will see you next week on Let's Talk Tech.